Good morning, writers. Today's date is 1/14, and today as a writer I'm working on elaborating on my ideas using prompts. Writers, think back to your personal and persuasive essay unit. Mrs. Whalen taught you that you could use conversational prompts to help you grow your ideas and make them expand on the page. Here's kind of part of the way she showed you again to help you remember. My dad doesn't let what other people think bother him. In other words, he doesn't worry about making sure he does what people expect. As I say this, I'm realizing that he does things that are odd, like using frozen peas as an ice pack or wearing a plaid hunting cap to my school events. Notice that the prompts that Mrs. Whalen used are underlined. In other words, and as I say this, I'm realizing. These prompts helped her to grow ideas to expand her essay about her dad. Today I want to teach you that when writers want to elaborate on their ideas, and in this case, ideas about a character in their story, they can use the same prompts and phrases that people use in conversations to elaborate. These kind of prompts help writers to say more, think more, and write more. Last week, the other teachers and I decided to read and talk about Fox ourselves. We copied down a bit of our book talk so we can show you how the talk went, and specifically, so we can show you the ways that we used prompts to help us grow ideas. You should already be familiar with some of these prompts from the previous essay unit, but there might be some new ones here that we used and that other people use when elaborating. You all should have a copy of this book talk in front of you. Your teacher is going to choose 4 students to be each one of the teachers and reenact how that book talk went. As they are reading, partner 1, that can be the person sitting to the right, can underline thought prompts that are heard in that conversation. And partner 2, which can be the person sitting to the left, I would like you to count the number of times we refer back to the text in our conversation. Go ahead and have the students read the conversation now, and when finished, have partners turn and talk about what they noticed. Readers, I hope you saw that we used prompts to push our thinking and to help us talk longer and deeper about our first ideas. We also cited particular parts of the story to make sure our thinking was grounded in actual words and details of the story. When we do these things, we end up growing thoughts that surprise even ourselves. This time now, instead of analyzing our book talk, I would like you to pretend you are a part of the conversation and continue it, only this time you'll be talking with just your partner. Make sure to use the thought prompts on the screen and refer back to specific parts of the story just as we were doing. Go ahead and talk with your partner now. Remember that these prompts not only work for conversations, but they also work for your writing. Once you've written one idea, you can always extend it or elaborate using one of these prompts. So writers, today and every day, when you say or jot thoughts about a story, remember that it's important to push yourselves to think about those first thoughts and make sure they become your best thinking. Find spots where you can grow your ideas, and always make sure to refer back to the text for specific evidence from the story. Work hard and make it a great day.